ne?
Maria.
Hey, how was your day? I don't know, it's 3 p.m. just about to start. I just wanna lay in bed. You think I could come over instead? I'd like that, but maybe, just maybe, we could slow it down, cause this can easily turn around. It's funny how you were all of my first. Who would've guessed you became my very first ex? Started with stranger situations, comes back in full rotation. If we had dialogue or miscommunication, promise I'll say this with more conviction. How was I supposed to know where this path would go? Typing these texts on my phone, don't wanna fall in love alone. How was I supposed to know? Maybe I got nothing to show. Cryptic tongue got an error in code. Don't wanna fall in love alone. On the night it happened, universe saw us crying and laughing. The sky was quiet, it didn't rain, kept me sane. I took this as a sign, cause it cried tears of joy when we looked each other in the eyes. 4 minutes for like 4 seconds. Tasting your lips already made me go for seconds. Out of school, so I'm tired of all the testing. But for you, you're a lesson worth learning. Keep it progressing, I admit I can be a little jealous when the vibe ain't right, but you always came home, feel alive when you're by my side. Always love to hear your day. I'm hoping cause we left, we know the worth to stay. How was I supposed to know where this path would go? Typing these texts on my phone, don't wanna fall in love alone. How was I supposed to know? With beer got nothing to show. Cryptic tongue got an error in code. Don't wanna fall in love alone. How was I supposed to know? Cryptic tongue got an error in code. Don't wanna fall in love alone. How do I let you go? How do I let you go? How do I let you go? When without you, you got me down so low. Dance around tippy toe, but damn, I already know. Truly love someone is to let them grow. How do I let you go? When without you, you got me down so low. Dance around tippy toe, but damn, I already know. Truly love someone is to let them grow.